Hello everyone and welcome to SEW-EURODRIVE's How-To series. We're going to be discussing how to maintain and take care of your product. So let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about SEW-EURODRIVE's SO number system and how you can utilize one of our apps to find out the technical information about your products with that SO number. In front of me, I have three different types of SO format media. The SO number that you see to my left is found on a sticker. The one to my right is found in the laser etch on the actual product. But the most common one that we use is in front of me, and it is a name plate. This SO number is like the VIN number on an automobile. It is going to give you all the information about your product that you would ever need, especially when it comes to getting technical support and help with your product. Now, to decipher what that information is, you can either call into our service support line and give them this SO number, or you can utilize the app that we have, IoT DriveRadar. Let's go ahead and demonstrate how we can utilize this app with your SO number. So to utilize the app, you want to pull it up on your phone, and you're going to take your phone, and there is a button called Add Product. It's in green, real simple, just tap on it. And once you've done that, it's going to give you three options. First, you can click on the button that allows you to manually type in the SO number. I don't know about you, but sometimes you can type things incorrectly, and so they've got a really cool feature where you can actually take a picture of the nameplate, and through the wonders of technology, it enables you to find that SO number on its own. So we're going to demonstrate how to do that. I'm going to tap on that camera icon, and then you're going to see the option between take a picture or pull one up out of your gallery. In this case, we're going to take a new picture. So you're going to tap on that button, and you want to make sure that you get the nameplate in focus, and you want to make sure that you have the SO number in view of your camera screen. Once you have that, you take the photo, and then it's going to give you the option to retake the photo or use the photo that you took. This came out great, so let's go ahead and use that photo. Now, it may take a moment, depending on your internet connection, to process the image, but once it's calculated the data, it's going to pull up the information related to that SO number. So now that the information is processed, you'll see on your screen the type code of the unit that you pulled up. All you need to do to find out the information related to it is tap on it, and then it's going to give you a couple of options there. The one that we're going to focus on is the product technical data. So let's go ahead and click on that, and it's going to start out with telling you about the tech specs for that particular unit. You can browse through the different icons to see not only the tech specs, but also the mounting position, even the color of the paint. One of the cool things, though, about this unit is that I can see the technical documentation related to it in this app. To do that, you're going to see that there is a little Adobe Acrobat icon, and you're going to tap on it. This allows you to see the operating instructions, the wiring diagrams, and any other technical information related to this specific unit. And while you can always find everything on our website, this information on this particular app is directed at this unit only. So it cuts out all the potential for error. Now, what if you want to send this information to somebody, such as yourself? You're out in the field, you're dirty, you don't have a pen and paper, but you want to make sure that this is all captured so that you can utilize it for whatever situation you're in. Well, easy enough. All you have to do is push back, do that again, and then you'll see a little finger icon. You want to tap on it, you want to select the unit, and then you'll see the icon with the three dots and the triangle, and that is the send button. So we're going to click on that, and then it allows you to either send it as a text message or through your email server directly to yourself or whoever you choose in your contact list. So when we're talking about the information on the app that's pulled up, it's related directly to this motor and not any other product. This just makes sure that you get accurate information and not just any old generic operating instruction. So this example that we just showed is one of many opportunities that you have to use this app. Just remember, if there's a sticker, a nameplate, or it's laser etched, as long as you can find that SO number, then you can pull it up on this app and get the technical information that you need. But what if you don't have the app? What should you do? Well, no worries. Something that we've introduced recently at SEW-EURODRIVE is a QR code sticker that if you scan it with your camera on your phone, it's going to bring up nearly the same information, just not using the app. So let's see how we can do that. All you need to do is bring up your camera on your phone. You want to move it over to the QR code that you see here, and it should be labeled Digital Services. Once you find that, and you've pulled up the link that you would with any typical QR code, you go ahead and click on that link that comes up on your phone, and it's going to open up that portal on our website. Again, based on the speed of your internet, it may take a moment to pull up all of the data. Now we have the information, and we can see an actual picture of the unit and all of the technical data. You can pull up the data and documents. You can look at any type of troubleshooting that you want to accomplish, all right here in your hand. So with these two options, whether it's our app or just taking a picture of the QR code, the whole point is to get you back to where you need to be, whether it's up and running or just to get the answer that you need on a product that's working just fine. Either way, if you feel uncomfortable taking a picture of the QR code or using the app, feel free to call our toll-free number in order to speak to a live representative who can get you the answers that you need. If you're interested in learning more about SEW-EURODRIVE's components, products, or solutions, please go to SEW-EURODRIVE.com. Together, we drive the world.